Best 5 Toaster Oven 2017. Number 5. Dell Gigu 1289 0.5 cubic foot. 0.5 cubic foot capacity, fits 2 12 inches pizzas or 6 slices of toast. 6 pre-programmed toast settings. Seven setting toast color selector. Convection cooking and Durastone 2 enamel interior. Multiple cooking functions. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 4. Cuisinart Top 195 Exact Heat Toaster Oven Broiler. 6-slice convection toaster oven broiler. With 0.6 cubic foot capacity. Shade control with heat sensor maintains precise oven temperature. Electronic touchpad controls, clock and oven timers. Easy to clean interior. 3-year limited warranty. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 3. Panasonic NBG110P Flash Express Toaster Oven. Double infrared light, cooks up to 40% faster. Smart toaster oven with automatically calculating cooking time function. Control over the heat for variety foods. Easy to use control panel. Perfectly compact design with small footprint on countertop. Non-stick interior for easy to clean. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 31103K. Maximum versatility, including rotisserie. Extra large capacity, fits 2 12 pizzas. Fits a 5 pounds chicken. Convection setting bakes faster and more evenly than traditional oven. Bake and broil settings with 2-hour timer. This oven is 110 voltage only. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 1. Black Decker CTO 6335S Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. Broiling rack, fits a casserole dish. Extra deep curved interior for 12 pizza. Dual position rack slots. Potatoes and cookie options. Dimension 22.8 x 13.4 x 15.5 inches. Maximum temperature 400 degrees. Please check the description for detail and prices.